This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! Grandma's carrying a tree. Come on. Family tree.
Oh,
Hi, Grandma! Hello! Steady! Steady, love.
oh,
Is that a real tree?
yes, a little apple tree. It's a present for you all for your garden.
Oh, it's perfect. Thank you, Jean. I'll take it through.
Tim, come and see. It's quite small for a tree, Grandma.
That's because it's a sapling. It's a baby tree, Topsy.
Tim, come and see. Grandma's brought us a baby tree.
Where is Tim?
He's upstairs in his bedroom.
Yeah, Tim's cross because he wanted to play with Tony Welch today. But I told him that he couldn't because you were coming round with the tree.
Ah, I'll go and see him.
Mummy, will that little tree grow apples?
Yes, it will. Wait just 1 minute, Topsy, and I will show you. Come and have a look on the computer with me. Good girl.
Spinny chair.
Spinny chair, right? You're going to sit on my lap?
Yeah.
Okay. There. Our little tree will grow apples like this. And when it's fully grown, it might even get as big as this.
Whoa, that tree has got a lot of apples.
It really does. And if we want our little apple tree to get apples like that, we need to dig a big hole in the garden and plant it.
Please can we do that now, Mummy?
Yes, of course we can. And maybe Grandma and Tim will help us as well.
Yes.
You get your apron on, because we'll get mucky, and I will get the boots and the gardening gloves.
Why are you upset, Tim? Come on, you can tell Grandma.
Well, I really wanted to go and see my friend Tony today. He's moving away, and I might not see him again.
Oh, of course you'll still see him, Tim. He's not moving far away, and you're such good friends. Come on. I know something that will cheer you up.
What?
I'll show you. Just trust Grandma, OK?
I trust you, Grandma. Grandma tells me to find Mossy's plastic tub of treats. Here it is.
Perfect. I'll have to find another tub for Mossy's biscuits. We need this one today
Why?
because this tub has now become our memory box.
A memory box?
Yes, a box where we put memories we want to keep forever.
Why?
Because it's nice to look back and remember happy times. What happy times can you remember sharing with Tony?
Lots. I'm going to find great things to put in the memory box. I'll show you. I'll find things upstairs. I've kept 2 funny things that I did with Tony under my bed. Our cardboard twin Tim, Tony and I danced with it. And our horse's head, made from a welly boot. These are for the memory box, Grandma.
Oh, good, but... Oh, dear, look, they're too big. They have to fit inside Mossy's treat tub, remember?
Oh, they won't fit in.
Oh, you just have to find smaller things. Can you just help me clear away the table,
Hi,
please?
Tim. We've been digging in the garden. Take your boots off, Topsy. Good girl. And super wash your hands, please. Let me take your gloves. Good girl.
Tim, you should come and see our baby apple tree in the hole we've dug for it.
Oh, not just yet, Topsy. Tim's busy. He's helping me make a memory box with this.
But that's Mossy's tree tub.
Not anymore. I'll buy Mossy a new tree tub. Tim is putting things in this that remind him of happy times.
Oh, what a wonderful idea.
Oh, I want to help with the memory box. I know what can go in.
Oh, your nursery school photo.
Oh,
Look. Everyone came to our house that day. Oh, yes. Tony's dad took the photo. And look at the funny face Tony's making. Let's put this in.
Tim, are you wearing odd socks?
Oh, yes, look. I swapped one of mine with Tony. It's got a hole in it, look. Tony the toe.
I know, Tim. Why don't you put your Tony sock in the memory box?
Oh, yeah. And I know what else can go in.
Oh.
We put lots of fun things in the memory box. I find a piece of the marble run that we made with Tony and Venda, and I put it in the box. Our memory box is full of happy memories. Done! Done.
Oh, really? Oh, right. Well, this memory box is now ready to be hidden.
Hidden? Why?
Well, that's the point of a memory box. You put it somewhere to keep your memories safe.
And they stay there till you grow up. There you go, Jane.
Oh, thank you. And I have a very good idea of the perfect hiding place.
Oh, where, Grandma, where?
Follow me. Welly's on first.
Oh, right. Oh, brilliant. Come on. OK.
First, we put the baby apple tree in the big hole that Topsy has dug.
Down.
Oh, is it in?
There we go.
Oh, that's good. There we go.
Oh.
That's it. Now, I tell you what you need to do.
Mummy! It's over there, Tim.
Put it down. Ooh. Top of the tree. Right.
Now, where do you think?
We plant our memory box under the tree. Oh, there we are. There you go, memory box. Enjoy your new home. I love where we put our memory box. And I love our new apple tree, Grandma. Making a memory box about Tony was just as good as playing at Tony's house.
Oh, good.
Thank you, Jean, for such a lovely, good, fun day.
Oh, it looks so good there. It's really good. When we look out of the window, our baby apple tree looks really happy. One day, we might dig up our memory box that's underneath it. But only when we're older and our apple tree has grown.
You know, trees take a long time to grow, and there won't be apples on there for a few years yet. We've got to wait until the tree gets much bigger.
Like you, Mummy.
Bigger than me.
This big! And that's when Grandma said, you should measure yourselves right now.
You should measure yourselves right now, Topsy and Tim, and then you'll always know how tall you were on the day you planted your tree in your memory box.
Yeah, me there. And then me then.
Well, guess who I am going to measure first?
Me?
Not Topsy, and not Tim.
You.
Grandma.
Me? Come on, Grandma. And that's it, Mummy. Was that? Mummy.
Grandma.
Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we planted a tree in our garden. Can you remember what else we planted in the garden? Was it a memory box? Or was it Mossy's ball? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. The answer is a memory box. Watch this.
Oh, right. Oh, brilliant. Come on. OK.
First, we put the baby apple tree in the big hole that Topsy has dug.
Down.
Ooh, that's good. There we go. That's it. Now, I tell you what you need to do.
Then we plant our memory box right under the tree. Oh, there we are. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.